Hi and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do these Sharpie designs on your nails. It looks complicated, but honestly it's really easy. I can do it, no problem, so anyone else can do it. It's just using these permanent markers. They're not actually Sharpies. I got them from B&M Bargains for about £1, so that was quite cheap. And I'm just using acetone-free nail polish remover instead of the alcohol because it works exactly the same. I'm not sure if you can use regular nail polish remover. I've not tried doing it with that. So I'm just putting squiggles all over this nail, which has already got some white gel polish on it. I've actually top coated it as well, just so that if I do make a mistake I can just wipe it off and start again. As I've not done this before, I'm not really sure what I'm doing. So after you've got all your pen on your nail, then you just need to dip a brush into your alcohol or nail polish remover, whichever you're using, and just dab it on. The more you put on, the more it sort of disperses the marker and the more transparent it goes. If you put too much on, it just goes completely. I did do that on my practice when I was just seeing how it worked. So I found the best way was just to have some on the brush, but just dab it off on some kitchen paper first before you put it on the nail. And it just makes a gorgeous design. And there's no effort involved really. You don't have to be artistic because I'm not at all. So to get different effects, I use different size brushes. I used a small detail brush and I tried sort of dragging that along the design instead of dotting it on. And then I dotted it on and you get the smaller circular effect if you use that. If you use a bigger brush, you get sort of bigger dispersion of the alcohol across the design, and that looks good as well. And I wanted a mixture of all different ones because I wanted a different nail for each finger. So I think the next thing I'm going to do after this video is maybe the same sort of design but with some chrome powder. I've seen people do that and it looks really good, so I want to try that. This time though I'm just doing it on some plastic nails because, as you can tell, I've got very short nails at the moment. I've no gel or anything on my nails. So I need to redo them, so maybe that's my next design. So if you'd like to see that, just come back to the channel in a week or so and I might have that one up as well. So that's it, it's really that simple. So I'm just going to put some music on now while I get the other nails done and just let you watch what they look like, and then I'll come back to you at the end. Okay, so this just shows how simple it is and how gorgeous these designs are when you've done them. They are so easy to do. One thing I would recommend though, if you use gel polish, is using a gel top coat after the markers and the alcohol has dried, because I ended up ruining a few of my designs because I used regular nail polish and it all ran and looked terrible, and that's probably just my application because I'm not used to regular nail polish, but I definitely did these after with gel polish and it was absolutely fine. So just a normal gel top coat, and then I wiped the inhibition layer off. And here are the finished nails. I think they're absolutely amazing. And these are just press-on nails, so you can always, if you're going out and you don't want big nails on all the time, you can just design them on the plastic nails and then just stick them on and go out, then pull them off when you're done. So that's another quick way of doing your nails. Doesn't take long at all. I think the finished result is really good. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos at the end that you might not have seen, and if there's any videos that you'd like me to do, any products that you'd like me to try and do some videos on, just let me know in the comments and I'll see if I can do it.